Hi everyone, it's Tammy and it's time to do my personal planner, Plan With Me. This is the planner that I use for YouTube and for my Stampin' Up. I'm like, what in the world? Whew. And I have some Plan to Plan stickers that I'm going to use for the 4th of July. I think they're really cute and I'm happy that I remembered them. So we are planning the first week of July, which is July 2nd through 8th. I have some video ideas I might like to do. Okay, so this kit is really nice and it comes with washi, so I don't even need any washi for this. And so I'm just going to take a strip of the washi and put it right down the middle. And one of the reasons I picked this kit was because I loved this washi. I like the kind of muted tones of the red, white, and blue. And then I also liked the, I don't know, the only word that's coming to my head is modest, and that's not the word exactly, but it's just muted and pretty. It's not, some of the, you know, kits are pokey in the eye, kind of red, white, and bluey or whatever, and this is very nice, but it's just muted, like I said, so I'm gonna go with muted. Oh, I think that's totally crooked. Oh, it's not so bad. Okay. Yeah, if it is crooked, I can't tell. So I'm just going to I'm not going to have a pattern for this exactly. I'm just going to try to use as many of these stickers that I can. Haven't used a kit on here for a little minute. And I also have Love Dare up here, so that's another thing I'm thinking of. I'm going to write that down on my list. Oh, I don't like it when I get into the holes, so I'm going to try to scoot it over a little bit. Goodness, I'm not doing very well. Here we go, that's better. I'm gonna put it there anyway. I was gonna use a different color, but oh well. Next week. So I don't know what you guys might be doing for 4th of July. I don't really think we're going to do anything. We were going to get together with one of my best friends. Her name is Linda. She has been my best friend since I was 14 years old. I love her to pieces. She lives a couple hours away now. We have lived together. We have lived probably the furthest we've lived apart is 2 hours, maybe 2.5 hours. And we have babies that are the same age. I say babies, they aren't babies, but we had our daughters literally like 7 weeks apart, and our sons are a little less than a year apart. So her son is a senior this year, and mine graduated, so he's going to be a freshman in college. There's like a piece of sticker that somehow got on here. I'm just trying to get it off, but I don't seem to be able to, so I'm just going to leave it. Whatever. To do. And I'm taking some time off this week, so that will be fun to do. And I literally am just trying to use as many of these stickers as I can because I love them. Now hopefully I can fill them up. I have to think of some things to put in here. Oh, look at that. That's totally crooked. Has to be bothering some of you. Better. Okay, I'm gonna put a money sticker on Friday because that's usually when I get paid from Stampin' Up. And I'm going to put an Etsy sticker on Tuesday because that's $2 Tuesday. And I'm going to put a YouTube sticker on Sunday because I need to put my Plan With Me's up. I think that's all I'm going to use. So I did pretty good using lots of them. And I'm going to use blue because it's 4th of July. So I can either use blue or red, but I'm not a big red pin user, so I'm going to go with the blue. Okay, so let me... Little things. I know that I want to do comments. I'm going to put that down. This is crooked too, goodness. There we go. And this one's crooked. I just got them all crooked. Okay, I'm going to put comments over here. Next week I know I want to do a Christmas craft. And I know that I need to do the July collab And I'd like to do a one sheet wonder. And this week are little things I need to do. I'd really like to do a live this week since I am taking some time off. I really have no excuse but to do that. So I'm going to be off. Well, I'm off on the 4th. I'm off on the 5th. And I'm off on the 6th. And then I'm off on Saturday and Sunday as well. And then Monday and Tuesday I'm off because I'm going to IU with my son those 2 days. So, yay! Get to decompress a little bit. So I'm going to put knitting. And here, these are just some things I'm thinking of. And if I don't write it down, I won't continue to think about it. So at least this way, if I don't do it, it's because I'm choosing not to, not because I don't think about it. You know what I mean? So at least there's that. So I guess I could say some of these things out loud. Monday I have Alpha class, which is a class through church that kind of teaches you about Christianity, and it's kind of neat. So I've had 2 classes. I have another class. It's a 9-week class. So I have another class that day. I'm going to miss next week's, the 9th, because I'm going to be at IU, but my daughter and my husband have been going to, so they'll have to tell me about that one. I know that some of you want to see the knitting, so I need to do a knitting video, and then also things I've knitted, so I can show you some of my projects. And let's see here. I have just gotten most of these crooked on here. It's driving me bananas. Christmas craft. Let me look at some of the things that were this week so I can carry them on. Oh yeah, I need to finish or do some more open win cards. And someone asked what those were. Those are the cards that I'm doing for my son for college that say open win, like whatever. So I can say open win, you miss your mom, open when you're hungry, open when you're feeling happy, open when you're feeling blue, anything like that. I'm doing cards like that for him to take to college. That way he can you know, if he's missing me or whatever, he can question answer. Random facts. I am working on random facts video. So I have some in my head that I'm hopefully going to be getting out. I know that I haven't been posting as often as I usually do. My content has gotten a little more sparse, only because I think it's just because it's summertime, maybe. I don't know. I've just been busy doing other stuff. So I think this looks pretty good. I think I'm going to leave it like this. And There we go. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope that you guys have a fabulous week. And for those of you in the U.S., happy 4th of July. Bye-bye.